is part of the integumentary system, an organ system consisting of skin, hair, nails, and glands. The skin is the human body's largest organ, and it accounts for 12 to 15% of total body weight. Most importantly, skin performs several critical functions that contribute to our overall health. First, the skin is the barrier that faces the world each day. It serves to protect us from external aggressors like disease-causing pathogens and other harsh elements. Second, the skin is a regulator. It controls temperature and moisture loss while also assisting in the production of vitamin D, which is an essential vitamin for many bodily functions. Third, the skin is our primary source of sensation. Our perception of hot, cold, pressure, and pain is largely felt through a network of nerve endings and touch receptors in the skin. These essential roles of protection, regulation, and sensation allow the rest of our body's systems to function as they should. Today, stress, pollution, poor nutrition, little sleep, and dehydration are hyper-prevalent factors that can damage skin and cause premature aging. Like most organs, when skin is compromised, it cannot function optimally. Amidst exposure to these damaging stressors, skin needs support. Experts recommend a diet high in antioxidants to restore and protect our skin. Adequate hydration is also critical for good skin health. And while the skin is an external organ, this support begins within the body. Collagen contributes to overall skin health and appearance by providing structural support for the skin. It keeps it firm, flexible, and youthful. Collagen synthesis is very important because as we age, we naturally produce less collagen. Let's take a closer look at a few of the ingredients. Hyaluronic acid, sometimes simply called HA, is classified as a glycosaminoglycan, a substance naturally occurring in the body that binds to collagen and elastin. HA is hydrophilic and holds around 1,000 times its weight in water. It is found naturally in skin, connective tissue, and eyes, and helps keep tissues lubricated and moisturized. HA is found in every cell in the body, but around 50% is found in the skin. Approximately 1/3 of the HA present in our bodies is degraded and synthesized every day, and the amount of naturally occurring HA in our bodies declines as we age. This makes supplementation a particularly good option. Vitamin C is a potent antioxidant that assists in natural skin regeneration and supports collagen synthesis. Vitamin C has been shown to help minimize melanin production in vitro, which can lead to skin discoloration. Additionally, vitamin C positively impacts skin texture as well as hydration levels.